Hi, welcome to Dexter Index. We're happy you're here and look forward to you enjoying all the great benefits that Dexter Index has to offer. To access Dexter Index, first type in DexterIndex.com to your web browser. From there, you will click on Log In and enter in your username and password. If you're logging in for the first time, you will need to request access. Be sure to have your Dexter distribution account number handy. The Request Access button will bring you to a page where you will select I'm a business or I would like to find a dealer near me, depending on what your trailer parts needs are. For this demonstration, we will select I'm a business and input our account number. Once you have entered your account number, select Start. If you don't have an account and would like to get established, click Register here and tell us about yourself. On the next page, you will find an intake form. Input your company name, your first name, last name, and then your email address. Your email address also serves as your login each time you come to Dexter Index. The invoice number is optional. You will then set your password. Passwords must be at least 8 characters and include at least one number. Once your password is entered, click the button to request access to Dexter Index. Your intake form is then sent to be reviewed by our customer service specialists. When your access has been enabled, you will be notified at the email address set as your login. You can access your account either by visiting the Business Account Access page or the DexterIndex.com homepage. There you'll enter your email address and click Login. Upon your first login, select a default shipping address and select a nickname for that address. The nickname we will use in this demonstration is HQ as the primary shipping address. Your addresses can be found in your address book under your account dashboard. Once completed, click Login. You can read more about the privacy policy in depth here. Once reviewed, click Accept. Once logged in, you can see the home page, the primary search bar at the top, the Hey, Your Name, and My Profile dropdown, My Branch location, and any active items you might have in your cart. Mid-screen, you'll also find Welcome Back, Your Name, inviting you back to Dexter Index, as well as quick access to various index features like Order Pad, Made-to-Order Axles, Find a Dealer, Recent Orders, and a link to a PDF version of the printed catalog. Across the top, you'll also see a category breakdown that mirrors the print catalog. Another quick link to Order Pad, and then products and information related to trailers or popular categories within Dexter. Thank you for learning with us and welcome to Dexter Index. We're happy that you're here.